All right, fellas, time for 2019 Leaf Best of Football. This is break number 2 altogether. So you've got one Leaf Best of Football base card, and then you've got one buyback card. So a lot of graded rookie cards, some really high-end hits that you can pull out of here. Our first break, we pulled a John Elway auto, number to 10. So really, really great stuff you can find out of here. So this is a last name letter break. Every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So we got Marty with 1 spot in this, Brian W with 1 spot, or now 2 spots, and then Donnie with 1. So most of that was from last weekend. And then Zach H with 1, Tony with 1, Doug's got 2, Dan with 1, and then Dave picked up the last spot. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters. So we're using 20 total letters in this break. So we'll randomize it 5 times. So we're going to try to do a couple of football-specific non-eBay breaks next weekend, with it being Super Bowl Sunday. So make sure you guys on Friday check our weekly email out so you know what we're going to be breaking for Super Bowl Sunday next weekend. We'll try to find a couple of fun breaks that we can do with you guys. All right, so randomize this list 5 times 2. Let's match them up. All right, here we go. So Brian W, you've got last name letters A, T, V, and H. Dan, you've got D and L. Dave with R and B. Donnie, you've got N and Y. Doug's got C, S, K, and E. Marty with M and W, that's pretty good. Tony with G and F. And then Zach, you've got J and P. All right, so there are your letters. Here's your box. Let's see what we can get. All right, first up we got a Paris Campbell Leaf Best of Football. This is the clear rookie. So that's last name C, which will be Doug. And then the hit. How about a nice one from the bus? Jerome Bettis. Dave. Last spot mojo on that one, man. 8 out of 10. It's the gold standard gold jacket signatures. Nice one there on the Jerome Bettis. So Dave, congrats, man. Scooped up the last spot and ended up with the hit. All right, so another good Leaf Best of Football box. So we'll get those cards in the mail to you tomorrow. And appreciate you joining us for Leaf Best of Football break number 2.